Good morning students, hope you all are fine. Before this start the video, in the before classes we learn about our body parts, good habits and bad habits and healthy food and junk food. But today in this video we will learn about an interesting subject. Today's topic is about our universe. So our universe consists of star, sun, earth and solar system, different types of gases. So our universe consists of different types of gas and stars and sun and earth and galaxy. So first of all we know about what is sun. So what is sun? Generally every day you can see the sun in the morning. Where you see? We see the sun in the sky. The sun is a huge ball of different types of gases and fire, and it has its own light. It gives us light and heat to our earth. Means the light and the heat which we get from the sun. Generally the stars and the moon and the earth, the sun, these are in our solar system. The head of this big family means this is the solar family. The sun along with 9 planets and the moon, these all are called solar system, and the sun is the head of this family. Let us know about the planets. We have 9 planets in our solar system. Now let us know about the planets. There are 9 planets in our solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun in their respective orbit. See children, this is our sun and these are the planets, and these all planets are revolve around the sun with their respective orbit. Means ఈ సన్ మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ ప్లానెట్స్ అన్నీను తన ఆర్బిట్ అంటే మీన్స్ ఈ సర్కిల్ ఇలాగ ఉంది కదా, దీనికి ఆర్బిట్ అంటారు. ఇలాగా వాళ్ళు సన్ చుట్టూరు తిరుగుతూ ఉంటారు. లెట్ us know the names of the planets. We have 9 planets and the first planet name is Mercury. The first planet name is Mercury. Second one is Venus. Third one is Earth. Fourth one is Mars. Fifth one is Jupiter. Sixth one is Saturn. Seventh one is Uranus. Eighth one is Neptune. And the ninth planet name is Pluto. These are the 9 planets which are appear in our solar system. Now let us know which planet is near to the sun and which planets are very far away from the sun. See, this is, what is this planet name? This is Mercury. This Mercury planet, this is very near up to the sun. Means sun ki idi chala దగ్గరగా ఉన్న planet. Which planets are very far away? This Neptune and Uranus. These are the far away from the sun. The 9th one, Pluto, which is removed for our solar system. Next one is, as all the planets moves around the sun, like that moon that moves around our earth. That's why moon is called the earth satellite. The moon does not have its own light. It revolves light from the sun. It receives light from the sun. As the 9 planets, they don't have their own lights. All the planets, they get light from the sun. So all the planets moves around the sun and the moon moves around the earth. Like ఎలాగ భూమి మన సూర్య చుట్టూ మన ప్లానెట్స్ అన్నీ ఎలాగ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది, సేమ్ అలాగే మూన్ అనేది మన భూమి చుట్టూరు తిరుగుతుంటుంది. దట్స్ వై మూన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద ఎర్త్ సాటిలైట్. ద మూన్ డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ ఇట్స్ ఓన్ లైట్. It receives light from the sun. The moon receive light from the sun. Like that, 9 planets, they don't have their own lights. All the planets and satellites, they get light from the sun. Now let us know about the rotation and the revolution of the earth. Let us know about the rotation and the revolution of our earth. First of all, what is rotation? The spinning of the earth is called rotation. It takes 24 hours for one rotation. Day and night are due to the earth rotating on its axis. The term one day is determined by the time the earth takes to rotate once on its axis and include both day and night time. See, this is our sun, and the sunlight on which part appears on the earth, that part is in the daytime, and the opposite part, that is night time. This is what about our earth rotation. Because of the earth rotates on its axis, day and night will happens. Means మన భూమి అనేది, భూమి మీద మనకి సన్లైట్ పడుతుంది కదా, భూమికి ఎటుపక్క సన్లైట్ పడుతుందో అటుపక్క మనకి డే టైం ఉంటుంది. తను ఆపోజిట్ అటు సైడ్ భూమి మనకి సన్లైట్ ఉండదు కాబట్టి అటు సైడ్ మనకి ఏంటి నైట్ టైం ఉంటుంది. ఇదిలా భూమి ఏంటి సన్ చుట్టూరు తన చుట్టూరు తను తిరగడం వల్ల మనకి డే అండ్ నైట్ అనేది మనకి అవుతుంది. లెట్ us know about the revolution. Revolution means the earth revolves on its orbit, and it takes 365. The revolution of the earth takes 365 and 1/4 day. అంటే భూమి ఇక్కడ తన చుట్టూరు తను ఎలా తిరుగుతుందో సేమ్ అలాగే, లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో మూవ్స్ అరౌండ్ విత్ ఆన్ ద ఆర్బిట్స్ ఇన్ ద సోలార్ సిస్టమ్. మీన్స్ తన చుట్టూరు తన తిరగడంతో పాటు సూర్యుడి చుట్టూరు కూడా తిరుగుతుంది. అండ్ ఫర్ వన్ రొటేషన్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ అ టైమ్ ఈజ్ 365 and 1/4 day. This is the time the earth takes for a one revolution. Okay, this 1/4 day, ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఏంటవుతుంది, ఈ 1/4 day after 4 years this 1/4 day becomes a one day, and after a one day will add into this and it will be 366 days. And the three in which year the year have 366 days, that year is called leap year. మనకి 4 yearsకి మనకి ఈ 366 డేస్ అనేది వస్తుంది కదా, అయితే ఆ సంవత్సరానికి మనం ఏంటంటాం, లీప్ ఇయర్ అనే మనము అంటాము. Because of this revolution, seasons are also changes. We have how many seasons? We have 6 seasons, and all these seasons are changes because of the revolution of the earth. Now let us know about stars. When do we see the stars? At the night time we see the stars in the sky. The twinkling stars, they have their own lights, that's why they are twinkling. Stars are very also a huge ball of fire. If you look at the night sky, all the stars that you see might look pretty similar, but not let your eyes fool you. All of those stars have some important things in common, but they all are in different. మనకి ఏంటి, ఆకాశంలో స్టార్స్ అన్ని దే లుక్స్ సిమిలర్, బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ దే ఆల్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్ సిమిలర్. ఆల్ స్టార్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ అనదర్. దే క్యాన్ బి డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్ దేర్ కలర్స్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్ సైజెస్. Different color means stars are maybe in yellow, red, white or blue. Not only they are different from their colors, they also different from their size. And maybe that bigger than the sun, and maybe that bigger as thin as possible. So all the stars are different from one another. And the sun which we see and the daytime that sun is also a star. But we can see the sun in the daytime, and also the stars also appear in the daytime. But we cannot see the stars in the daytime, because as they are far away from the earth, only in the night time the sprinkles little stars are we can see at the night. Okay, now let us know about galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of stars, planets and gases that all are held together by their gravity power. In a galaxy, the celestial bodies rotate around a central object, and the Earth's galaxy is known as the Milky Way. The name of the Earth galaxy is known as the Milky Way. Okay. In other our solar systems made of the sun and the planets, they circle it, and it's a tiny part of that galaxy. Means the planets and these stars and these gases, these all are tiny parts of our galaxy. Now let us know how many types of galaxies. These galaxies are generally in 4 types. What are they? Spiral galaxy, lenticular galaxy, elliptical galaxy and irregular galaxy. These are the 4 types of galaxies, and our Earth is in spiral galaxy. Okay children, this is what about our universe. I hope you all understood the lesson very well. After this video, we will send you some worksheets, and listen the video carefully, try to understand and complete your worksheets. Hope you all are good and well. Thank you.
Introduction. Hello friends, have you ever watched the sky at night? It is full of little twinkling stars and a moon. Where do these stars and moon live? Come, let us find out. Objectives. At the end of this course, you'll be able to know the various parts of our universe, describe star, planet, and the moon. Friends, all that we see in the sky is just a part of the universe. There are many stars, planets, and satellites in the universe. They all appear to be very small, though they are too far from us, but actually they are very large in size. Do you know that our planet Earth is also a part of the universe? There are many stars in the sky. Do you know that our sun is also a star? Due to presence of many hot gases burning together, the sun looks like a big ball of fire. The sun gives us heat and light, which is necessary for us to survive on Earth. The sunlight and heat is also necessary for plants to grow and live. It is a universal fact that the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. Friends, as we know that there are a large number of stars in the sky, some stars shine bright and some do not. You can also notice that some stars are single, while others come in as a group or collection to form different shapes and patterns. Look, this one is called Great Bear. This bright shining star is a pole star that always seen at the same place. So after getting knowledge of stars, now we move on to the next topic, that is planets. Before some time, Pluto was considered as the 9th planet of our solar system, but according to the recent research, it is no more counted as the 9th planet. So there are only 8 planets in our solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Do you know the fact that the life is possible on planet Earth only because of presence of water and oxygen? On other planets, there is no clue of presence of oxygen and water. Apart from this, the extreme temperature is also not suitable for the existence of life on other planets. Moon is the only natural satellite of planet Earth. It revolves around the Earth in its own orbit. At night we can also see the moon in the sky.